Hey guys, I'm Janet, and on this episode of AFI's DIYs, we'll be making a car wash concentrate. This product is designed for easy dilution and generates a large quantity of stable foam, perfect for cleaning the entirety of your car's exterior and would be a wonderful addition to your product line. Let's take a look at the recipe. For supplies, you will need a large glass beaker, a glass stirring rod, rubber gloves, safety goggles, spatula, pipette, a container for packaging. To make about 11.5 ounces of product, you will need 69% or 8 ounces of deionized water, 3% or 0.36 ounces of sodium chloride, 16% or 1.8 ounces of alpha step PC48, 8% or 0.9 ounces of Aromatic LMDO, 4% or 0.45 ounces of amphasol HCG, a quarter teaspoon of preservative, and 5 drops of fragrance. Here at AFI, we offer a wide range of fragrance services, all designed to help your business reach its goals, and we have almost any scent you could imagine. Out of our thousands of fragrance choices for this DIY, we chose Lemon Lime. Wow, this smells so zesty. Perfect for a clean and shiny car. All right, let's put on our gloves and goggles so we can safely start this DIY. Now, we're ready to go. First, pour the deionized water into the beaker. Next, add in the sodium chloride, alpha step PC48, Aromatic LMDO, amphasol HCG, preservative, and fragrance in that order with mixing in between each ingredient. Continue stirring until homogeneous. Then, transfer from the beaker into your packaging container. Perfect! Now our car wash concentrate is complete. 1 ounce of this product can be diluted in a gallon of water for super effective, foamy car cleaning. This DIY costs us just around $2. It can be sold wholesale for around $5 and retail for around $10. If you're on the lookout for more products like this, be sure to check out our DIY all-purpose dilutable cleaner. That wraps up this AFI DIY, but we have tons of content just like this right here on our channel. Give this video a like if you want to see more, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a DIY. Thanks for watching. See y'all again soon. Bye.